How to find multi-factor authentication settings on Udemy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open your browser and then go to your profile here and top corner, click on it, and now go to this one here, account security, and now scroll down and here you will find it, multi-factor authentication. Now just click enable and just click confirm if you want to enable it, and that's it. After that just confirm it and then go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's how to find multi-factor authentication, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.